Now, very first, we can again look at a third one. We can look at a third one. We can look at a third one. Can look at a third one. Can look at a third one. I want us to look at this one, number 3. So this is number 5 actually. Two dice are tossed together. Two dice are tossed together. Find the probability. Find the probability that the sum of the numbers, find the probability that the sum of the numbers showing on their upper face, showing on their upper face is A, 3, B, find the probability that it is 5, and C, find the probability that it is 8. So we want to see the sum, and we want to find the probability that the sum of those will be either 3, 5, or 8. So allow me to clean this so that we are able to see how this is going to happen. Let me also clean this, and to believe we've also seen that. Now the space here is a little bit larger. We can work with this. So when we look at this, we can have die 1, and at the same time we can have die 2. So working with the die 2, we say that a die has 6 faces, so it's either you're going to get face with 1 dot, 2 dots, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Similar, this side we can also get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So with that, we can work that way, work that way, and work that way. Still, we can have that, and have that like that. So with this now we can fill. Let me just get a red pen. We can fill. So die 1 when thrown is either going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Die 2 will also give you 1, 2. Let me just change this so that we are able to get it perfectly. Die 2 can give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just work with it like that, so that we have the space having nothing. So having drawn that, we can now see the sum. Suppose die 1 gives us 1 and die 2 gives us 1. Our sum will be 1 plus 1, which is 2. Suppose die 1 gives us 2, die 2 gives us 1. Our sum will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. So this will be 3 plus 1, which is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1, which is 6. 6 plus 1, which is 7. In this case, we'll have 1 plus 2, which is 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 7. 6 plus 2, 8. The next one will be 1 plus 3, which is 4. And then 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 3, there would be 9. And then the next one would be 1 plus 4, which is 5. Then 2 plus 4, which is 6. 3 plus 4, which is 7. 4 plus 4, which is 8. 5 plus 4, which is 9. 6 plus 4, which is 10. 1 plus 5, which is 6. 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 5, 10. 6 plus 5, 11. Then 1 plus 6, 7. 2 plus 6, 8. And then 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 6, 10. 5 plus 6, 11. And then 6 plus 6, 12. So we can have that way. Now, we are being told that two dice are tossed together. Then we have to find the probability that the sum of the numbers showing on their upper face is 3 in the first instance. So we have to look for where the sums are 3. Now everything inside, this is a sample space like we have agreed. So we are looking for a sum which is 3 here. So that is one of them. That is another one. Do we have any other? No. So in us answering part A, so we are looking at probability where the sum is 3. We say that how many do we have? 1, 2. So we have 2 over. What is the total outcome? Everything here. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So that is 2 out of 36. So that becomes the probability of getting a sum of 3. We agreed that when you have a probability in this form, it is not simple fraction. So you can simplify it by dividing 2 by 2, giving us 1 out of 18 in that order. What about number B? Number B can be given by where we want the sum to be 5. So we will surround all situations where our sum is 5. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4. So what is the probability that our sum is 5? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case, probability that our sum is 5 is actually 4 favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes here, which is 36. If we simplify this by 4 and 4, we end up with 1 out of 9. 4 divide itself once, 4 divide 36 9 times. Let us see the last part C. Let us see the last part C. We want situations where our sum is 8. So, let me now surround with this. We can have 1. Another situation is this, which is 2. Another situation is this, which is 3. Another situation is this, which is 4. And lastly, we have the last one, 5. So, in other words, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we can say the probability of us having 8 as the sum is actually 5 of the favorable outcomes we are looking of over the total here, which is 36. Now, you realize that this already is its simplest form because we don't have any common divisor of 5 and 36. So that is what we will do to do that question.